Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about a very powerful feature in EC2 which is known as user data. In AWS, user data is a script that runs automatically when an EC2 instance starts for the first time. Instead of manually logging into server and installing software step by step, we can automate everything using user data. With the user data, we can do things like install software automatically, configure the server, run commands during startup, and prepare the instance for our application. For example, if we want to launch a web server, we can write a script that installs Apache or Nginx automatically when the instance starts. This saves a lot of time and reduces manual work. Now let's understand why user data is important. In real world cloud environments, engineers rarely configure server manually. Instead, they automate the entire setup process. User data, user data help us to automate server startup and automate server configuration right at the time the instance launches. With the user data, we can automatically start up the server, install required applications during launch, configure the environment quickly, and prepare servers for production. This is very useful in DevOps and automation. Imagine launching 10 or even 100 servers at once. During everything manually would take a lot of time. But with the user data, all servers can be configured automatically. Now let's understand how user data works. The process is very simple. First, we launch an EC2 instance. During the launch process, we add our user data script, and there is a option in EC2 which is advanced detail, and at the very bottom we will find an option of user data. So we'll write our script there, and then we will start EC2 instance. After the instance is running, our script runs automatically, and this happens only during the first boot of the instance. That means, suppose while I was launching an EC2 instance, I added a user data script which installs Nginx on my EC2 instance. After some time, I stopped that particular instance, and when I run this instance again, Nginx will be gone. Now, let's look at some real world use cases of user data. User data is commonly used for setting up web servers automatically. For example, installing Apache Nginx during launch. It is also used for application for deployments where the server is prepared to run an application immediately after the starts. In DevOps environment, user data is used for automation and bootstrapping servers. Another very common use case is auto scaling. And when new EC2 instances are launched automatically by auto scaling, user data ensures that every new server is configured correctly. So in simpler terms, user data help us automate the startup of our cloud servers. And this is it for this video.